Zenvo reveals the mesmerizing Aurora, a hybrid hypercar of unrivaled power. The automotive world is ablaze with excitement as Zenvo proudly unveils its latest masterpiece, the Aurora, a hypercar that marries astonishing performance with cutting-edge hybrid technology. Power and precision meet. Hybrid innovation at the heart of the Aurora roars a thunderous 6.6L V12 engine, meticulously engineered to produce a staggering 1,250 horsepower, with the tachometer pushing an exhilarating 9,000 revolutions per minute. This V12 powerhouse is ingeniously paired with a triple electric motor system, contributing an additional 600 horsepower to the equation. The combined result is an awe-inspiring 1,850 horsepower and a remarkable 1,254 lb-ft of torque. Such forces catapult the Aurora from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.3 seconds, and it's capable of a breathtaking top speed of 280 miles per hour. A limited symphony of engineering excellence. Debuting during the prestigious Monterey Car Week, the Zenvo Aurora graces the automotive stage with an air of exclusivity. With production limited to only 50 units of each variant, Zenvo aficionados will have the chance to own a true collector's piece, an embodiment of power, elegance, and technological prowess. Elegantly captured in stunning photographs, the Zenvo Aurora stands as a testament to the harmonious fusion of power and innovation, a symphony of design and engineering that's set to captivate the hearts of car enthusiasts and collectors alike. In the realm of automotive prowess, weight and downforce are critical factors that can shape a supercar's destiny. Zenvo's Agile model emerges as the lightweight contender, boasting a svelte mass of under 2,866 pounds, 1,300 kilograms. At a speed of 155 miles per hour, the Agile's meticulously crafted body channels its prowess into producing an impressive 1,940 pounds, 880 kilograms, of downforce, hugging the asphalt with unrivaled tenacity. Meanwhile, the Tour variant carries a slightly heftier presence, tipping the scales at 3,197 pounds, 1,450 kilograms. This additional weight arises from the inclusion of two supplementary electric motors, an innovation that elevates its performance credentials. Both incarnations of the Aurora dazzle with their sharp-edged design, a visual testament to their uncompromising nature. The Agile exudes a commanding presence with its imposing rear wing, promising an enthralling encounter with the open road. In contrast, the Tour showcases a cleaner, more streamlined form that harmonizes performance and elegance. Christian Brandt, Zenvo's chief designer, reveals the meticulous thought process behind the design. The chassis and the components of Aurora are all works of art, and we made a very definite decision that we did not want to hide these details away under a monolithic design. The result is a stunning fusion of engineering and aesthetics that beckons enthusiasts to explore the depths of Aurora's dynamic prowess. The production journey kicks off in 2026, and the thrill of owning this powerhouse begins at a base price of approximately $2.83 million, 2.59 million euros. And by the end, here are a few words about Zenvo Automotive. Originating from Denmark, have etched its illustrious name onto the global automotive arena through a lineage defined by avant-garde technology, daring design, and unwavering performance. Founded in 2007 under the vision of Troels Vollertsen, Zenvo embarked on a resolute quest to redefine the horizons of supercar innovation. The maiden creation, the Zenvo ST1, spectacularly burst onto the scene in 2009, seamlessly blending Scandinavian artistry with unadulterated power. Bolstered by a 6.8-liter V8 engine, boosted by both supercharging and turbocharging, the ST1 channeled a staggering 1,104 horsepower to its rear wheels. This remarkable potency propelled the ST1 into the upper echelons of hypercar distinction, leaving an indelible imprint on the automotive tapestry. Igniting the flames of curiosity, Zenvo delved into the realm of exclusive production runs, placing emphasis on exclusivity and bespoke craftsmanship. Each Zenvo creation emerged as a meticulously crafted masterpiece, embodying the brand's unwavering dedication to excellence. As Zenvo's acclaim reverberated across continents, the TS1 GT and TSR models emerged as the subsequent steps in evolution, artfully intertwining performance, luxury, and advanced engineering. The TS1 GT, driven by a turbocharged 5.8-liter V8 engine, exuded 1,163 horsepower, while the TSR ventured even further with 1,177 horsepower. A spellbinding exhibition of innovation arrived with Zenvo's introduction of the groundbreaking centripetal wing, an ingeniously advanced aerodynamic feature designed to dynamically enhance stability and downforce in response to the car's movement. The Zenvo narrative took a monumental twist with the revelation of the TSR-S, a limited edition masterpiece propelled by a twin-supercharged 5.8-liter V8 engine, unchaining an awe-inspiring 1,193 horsepower. The TSR-S transcended mere supercar status. It emerged as an engineering marvel, adorned with a distinctive centripetal wing system, captivating admiration for its unparalleled agility and performance prowess. In the grand tradition of automotive magnificence, Zenvo's latest chapter unfurled with the advent of the Aurora, a hybrid-powered hypercar that pushed the boundaries of power and aerodynamics. Fueled by a heart-pounding quad-turbocharged 6.6-liter V12 engine synergized with electric motors, the Aurora orchestrated a symphony of performance that left aficionados spellbound. The chronicle of Zenvo Automotive epitomizes an unyielding pursuit, where Danish ingenuity converged with an unrestrained passion to craft automotive icons. From the resounding debut of the ST1 to the trailblazing fusion of power and elegance embodied by the Aurora, Zenvo consistently redefines the benchmarks of performance, solidifying its legacy as a formidable entity in the realm of supercars. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment below. Stay safe and dream big. See ya.